Hey everybody, thanks for participating. This is a video for Tmnt 1 second print 6.5. Get started. I'm gonna go live. I got a time of 1:31. 1:31. 1:31. Alright, go get the list. Thanks everybody for the quick payments too. Alright, copy. Over here. Your giveaway. Tmnt 1 6.5. Their list. Go scroll through. Okay, that's everybody. Back to the top. Gonna roll 3 dice. 6, 12. All right. 6, 12. All right. Here we go. 1. Oh yes. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. All right, 11 times. Let's do a timestamp. 1832, 132. All right, final round. This one's for the winner. Congratulations to Paul Sorensen Wiederhold. Spot number 26. Paul is your winner. Paul, shoot me a PM once you've seen the video, and we can get all the details hashed out. Go down here, get my code. Copy that. Go back. Scroll to the top. Once again, spot 26. Paul is your winner. Alright, come back over here. Make sure I go to the scroll to the bottom. There you go. Do a time check. 133. 133. And we're done. Thanks again, everybody. Paul, shoot me a PM. There's your code. And we're good. Thanks, guys.